volleyball, and today some teams are looking to rebound while the others are looking to stay ahead. Well, the matches are crucial as early as now because this is where power meets fashion. Welcome to the Spikers Zone. Your weekends are set with men's volleyball, and today some of the teams are looking to rebound while the others are looking to stay ahead. Well, the matches are crucial as early as now because this is where power meets fashion. Welcome to the Spikers Zone. Your weekends are set with men's volleyball. Today some of the teams are looking to rebound while the others are looking to stay ahead. Well, the match is crucial early now. This is where power meets fashion. Welcome to the Spikers Zone.
Invitational conference of the Spikers Circuit, where power meets passion. We have two answers lined up for you for today. And for match number 5, let us welcome newcomers to our league. Meets Master Butchers.
Your weekends are set with men's volleyball, and today the teams are looking to rebound while the others are looking.
Warm-up.
Your weekends are set with men's volleyball, and today some of the teams are looking to rebound while the others are looking to stay ahead. Well, the matches are crucial as early as now because this is where power meets fashion. Welcome to the Spikers Zone.
Mic
Your
test
weekends
1,
are
2,
set
3.
with men's volleyball, and today some of the teams are looking to rebound while the others are looking to stay ahead. Well, the matches are crucial as early as now because this is where power meets fashion. Welcome to the Spikers Zone.
Check 1 2 check 1 2 3 check. Okay, check. Thank you.
Mic test 1, 2, 3. Okay. Martelli meets Master Butchers. Venus greetings.
Your weekends are set with men's volleyball, and today some of the teams are looking. Rebound while the others are looking to stay ahead. Well, the matches are crucial as early as now. This is where power meets fashion. Welcome to the Spikers Zone. Your weekends are set with men's volleyball, and today some of the teams are looking to rebound while the others are looking to get ahead. Well, the matches are crucial as early as now because this is where power meets passion. Welcome to the Spikers Turf.
The Capitolio area, beautiful on a Sunday afternoon as we bring you to the Inares Sports Arena. This is day number 2 of the 2024 Spikers Turf Invitational Conference. And you've got the 2 of the 4 teams going at it today, starting at 4 p.m., just making their way in, warming up, and getting ready to give you the action. Our first game today, Martelli meets Master Butchers. Coming off a loss, will take on the VNS Griffins, also a team that is looking to bounce off their first day loss. In the meantime, 2 teams coming off big wins against Chi DHS TI. Brotherhood Titans, they are looking for their first winning streak. The Navigators from Iloilo and the FEU Tamaraos. Hi everybody, thank you for watching us on Pilipinas Live, One Sports and One Sports Plus. Eric Tipan alongside Yos Sioson. These 2 teams, not new, especially for those of you who are just tuning in. Martelli meets Master Butchers seem like a new team, but there are the same Mavericks that we saw in the Open Conference. So some veterans already in both lineups, Yos.
Actually, some of the players from the Mavericks transferred or had a new team in the name of Martelli, and they had a tryout last time, and then nabuo sila because of the tryout. And definitely they're a very new team together with VNS naman. Alam natin medyo matagal na dito sa liga na to, but they're composed of younger teams right now. Younger players.
A lot of players from
Yes.
the under-18 national team. We'll talk about that in just a little bit. But the very early team standings for the fans of our Spikers Turf.
Yes, on their first game, no, itong Martelli meets Master Butchers, they actually had a good start, winning the first few set and then lost on their second and on third. But ayun nga, nakita natin, hindi masyado man naging maganda yung outcome noon. Pero ang ganda nung pinakita lang ng kanilang first game. On the other hand, BNS naman natalo in 3 straight sets. Kaya naman both of them ay talagang gustong manalo on this day.
All right, let's talk about what Yos was mentioning, that 5-set loss by Martelli meets Master Butchers. I know it's a mouthful. You'll get used to the name. But they won the first set. They won the 4th set. So they've got a lot of things to prove in the Invitational Conference, that's for sure.
Yes, actually nagkulang sila sa mga bandang huli sa kanilang reception. Yung nakausap ko actually si Coach Billy kanina. Ayun talaga yung win-workout nila even before itong mag-start itong Spikers Turf. Talagang win-workout nila yung doon sila nahihirapan sa reception, and now yung blocking sa Manila kahit papano nag-improve.
There you can see the performance of the MMB, winning the first, winning the 4th. And the errors, though, that's something they will definitely need to work on. And also, production from their offensive players. 3 players in double digits, but it was just not enough to overcome Saboj Aesthetics. And let's talk about their team captain and the leading scorer in that 5-set loss, Jerome Cordes.
Yeah, and one of the veterans nitong Martelli, itong si Jerome Cordes, no, producing 14 of his 37 attacks. Talagang mas kailangan niyang linisin yung mga atake niya kasi medyo madami talaga silang error on their previous game against Saboj.
I don't know how good your math is, Yos, and to the fans, but Cordes hit a clip of 14 out of 37. So a lot of mistakes, obviously, in terms of attacking for Jerome Cordes, but he is one of the veterans of the team captain as well. So they're going to lean on him heavily, for sure, in all of the games here in the Invitational Conference.
That's right. No? Ay, talagang kailangan niya i-prove yung leadership. Mas kailangan niyang ipakita na mas talagang veterano siya dito pagdating sa volleyball.
That's right. Now let's talk about the VNS Griffins, or Volleyball Never Stops Griffins, out of Quezon City. They went up against a solid team in their first outing, so that's got to be tough for VNS. You mentioned a very young team going up against one of the finalists from the Open Conference, Crisscross King Crutchers.
That's right. No? Facing a very tough team na ang lakas ng blocking system na pinakita nitong Chris Cross, medyo nahirapan makukuha ng madaming atake. Itong VNS na yun nga sabi ko kanina, composed of younger players na ang babata. Yung iba dito actually naglaro for Alas under 18.
That's right, and have experience playing already in Bahrain in one of the major tournaments for under 18 players. But we talk about their team captain, a former Rookie of the Year in the UAAP and a UAAP champion, Charles Segi.
Actually, he's a reigning MVP in the NCAA Juniors. Isa siya sa mga tinitignang leader ngayon ng VNS since, ayun nga, no? As I've said earlier, ang babata ng mga kampi niya dito composed of players from Alas under 18.
So, Charles Segi, they're gonna lean on him. If you talk about the VNS team, syempre, they're gonna need his experience, his veteran leadership in order to perform better and win a set here in the Invitational Conference. All right, let's go to our poll question of the game. We'll turn it over to Mika Abisamis.
All right, as usual, we'd like to include you in our conversation through our Pilipinas Live app and, of course, our hashtag, which is SpikerSurf2024. And if you guys want to join in, today we have a really interesting question, and that is which captain will push their team to a breakthrough win? Once again, that is which captain will push their team to a breakthrough win? Once again, you can do that through our hashtag, which is SpikerSurf2024, and through our Facebook and Instagram pages. Now it's going to be Martelli versus VNS as we give it to our venue announcer.
For this match. First referee, Mr. Pavel Racelis, National Referee. Second referee, Ms. Josie Del Rosario, FIB International Referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from our master butchers of Martelli Meats. Let's begin with our team captain, who wears jersey number 1, Jerome Michael Cortez. At number 3, Andre Miguel Bundok. Wearing jersey number 4, Renz Jonas Cruz. At number 11, Razel Palisok. Number 12 is Wilbert Sebrero. And number 18, Angelo Reyes. Starting liberals, number 8, Ricardo Alfaro. Head coach, Mr. Michael Ian Conde. Presenting our volleyball never stops VNS Griffins. Team captain wear jersey number 8, Charles Jordan Segi. At number 1, Kim Chris Liray. Wearing jersey number 3, Jan Mangulabnan. At number 9, Howard Guerra. Number 18, Titus Villacruzes. And number 19, Christian Olaes. Starting liberals, number 2, Joshua Cruz. And coach, Mr. Ralph Accountant. This match, number 5. Preliminary round, season 7.
Welcome inside the Inares Sports Arena as you look at the starting lineup. Nitong Martelli meets Master Butchers, led by team captain Jerome Cordes. Also in double digits in the last game, Razel Palisok, number 11, with 12 points, and Angelo Reyes with 11. Meantime, VNS Griffins and their starting lineup. No player in double digits in that 3-set loss against the King Crunchers. So they're going to need a lot more production. Their highest scorer in that game was Charles Segui with 8, followed by Howard Guevara, number 9, with 6 points. All right, here we go. Both teams looking for their first win in the Invitational Conference. Cebrero out of JRU with the first serve. Maulabnan. And a quick point for Charles Segui.
Of course, Charles Segui, their go-to spiker for this conference so far. Siya yung tumatayong leader for VNS.
He is one of 2 returning players, Charles Segui, for the Griffins, as the Master Butchers get their first point off a freebie and just landed easily. Andre Bundok scoring 9 points in that 5-set loss against Sapoch with a serve. Liray hits it. Now Cebrero will set it up. They go to Cordes off the block. And there's Razel Palisok.
Early side out for Palisok. Ito naman, isa sa mga go-to spikers din. Itong Martelli together with Cordes. Itong last game. Ang ganda nito. Pinakita talaga si Palisok. No? Actually, napag-usapan din namin last game. Galing siyang injury talaga ng mga past conferences. But now, sabi niya, 100% din siya.
Well, that's definitely good news for the team's new head coach, Michael Ian Ramos, who coached the Mavericks. Same team, same franchise, just different name in the Invitational Conference. Cebrero sets it up. They go to the middle and a nice little push there coming from Angelo Reyes.
Angelo Reyes also nakarami-rami din ng puntos last game.
Yep. 11 points.
Yeah, 11 points.
And part of those 11 points are 2 blocks.
And he also played for Sapoch and graduated from UE.
That's right. Good pass. Maulabnan sets it up. There's a block against Guerra. Liray on the attack. The up by Cordes. Cordes gets it back. The push. Liray saves it, but not good enough. The pass went out of bounds and a tough chase for Segui.
Almost a good save there for Liray. Hindi lang nahabol dito si Segui. And now Martelli is up by 2 points.
Angelo Reyes, 22 years old. Maulabnan. And Olaes knocks it away.
Olaes Kisha from Mapua. That quick hit.
And Olaes is one of those young kids si Yos was talking about. He's just 17 years old.
From Mapua Juniors together with Segui.
And that hit between 2 players as Cruz, Renz Cruz, gets the side out for Martelli.
What I like about this Renz Cruz, no, middle blocker nitong Martelli, very quiet lang. But pag kailangan nilang puntos sa gitna, nakakapuntos din siya.
But the serve, Palisok into the net, keeping it a close game so far. It's a matchup between the veterans wearing the whites and the blues with this young but very talented Griffins.
That's for sure. Some of the players from VNS actually playing for Alas under 18.
That's right. You're talking about, we don't see him yet, RK Medino, who did not play in their last game. Guerra, who's in the starting lineup, is one of those members of the under 18 national team. Service fault coming from Liray. There are several, actually, at least 4 players in the lineup of Coach Ocampo are members of the under 18.
That's right. Actually, Arcilio, one of them, is sick today.
Oo.
So we won't be seeing him today in the court.
Segi.
Ooh.
Cross court. Nice dig coming from Alfaro. Hit there from Bundok. Segi pushes and wipes it off the blockers and scores a point. And that'll tie the game at 6 here in the opening set. But that will be challenged immediately by Michael Conde.
Sebrero, almost sure na hindi tumama sa kanya. Kaya napa-challenge agad itong Martelli.
It happened right in front of us. Did you notice?
Actually, medyo mabilis but mukhang hindi talaga tumama. Sa bilis ng mga bola na nakita natin dito. Kaya naman, ang ganda pag nanonood kayo ng live. Mas makita nyo yung bilis ng palitan ng bola, talon ng mga players. Ang tataas eh.
So, and we're very accessible. I mean, this venue is one of the most accessible venues so far. All you got to do is, it's along Shaw Boulevard, right beside Estancia. So, you can come on over and watch on a Sunday afternoon.
That's right. Wala pang traffic.
No traffic at all.
No traffic and magandang parking.
Yeah. All right, here's the official review. And pinky finger touched the ball. So, that challenge looks like it's going to be unsuccessful. There is a block touch.
There was. Actually, yung pinky finger kasi na yun talaga minsan as a player.
Hindi mo na mararamdaman.
Hindi mo mararamdaman yun eh. Pero pag nakita mo sa video, gumagalaw pala talaga. So kahit feeling mo hangin, gabuhok, yung pala gagalaw at gagalaw siya at kitang-kita sa video.
Meantime, Christian Olaez is serving for the lead. Not a good pass by Cordes. So Alfaro will send it over. Underhand. Chance ball for the blue shirts. Segi for the lead. Yes!
Good approach, good set from Mangulabnan. Kitang-kita natin. Buwelo pa lang dito ni Segi. Ano nating papaluin talaga at papaluin. And butas na butas doon yung depensa dito ng Martelli.
So the Griffins on top by 1. 7-6. Much better pass from Cordes. Palisok gets the side out after the 2-point run by the Griffins. And the game is tied once again.
Of course, a good side out there by Palisok. Kitang-kita natin, 100%. Walang nararamdaman sakit. Ayun yung sabi niya from their last game. Kasi from the as I said earlier, talagang mga previous conferences, talagang medyo may mga iniinda-inda siya. But now, 100% talaga.
Underhand set. Mangulabnan, Segi, that's way outside.
Too much power there on Segi.
And that unforced error gives the Meat Master Butchers the lead by 1. 8-7. Technical timeout here in the opening set.
You're still watching the Spiker Surf 2024 Baptism of Fire. Yan ang take ni Coach Ralph Ocampo after losing to one of the strongest teams dito sa Spiker Surf, which is Chris Cross. He said, gusto ko yung parang nabinyagan sila, namulat sila na ito pala ang Spiker Surf. As you guys mentioned, plenty of young boys, high school boys at that, except Cruz Labide and Yatko. Ang tibay daw talaga ng blockings ng Chris Cross, and so they gotta work on their communication that could help, that could be one of the tools for their maturity on the court. Eric Enyos.
Maraming salamat, Mika. In the meantime, 14-year-old Howard Guerra scoring the point and getting the side out for the Griffins. Ooh, what a missile there. What a shot coming from Andre Bundok.
Bundok there with a cross-court hit. And then, ang VNS talaga, ang dami talaga napuproduce din ng mga bagong players, talents, ang daming nanggagaling dyan. One of them also, Bukhari Sali, now playing for UST.
That's right.
Also in Alas.
Not a good pass there coming from Liray. So it's a chance ball for the Meats Master Butchers. Palisok. Yes, back-to-back points for the Butchers. And now they have a 2-point lead.
And another good cross-court hit there by Palisok. Kaya medyo na late yung middle blocker doon ng VNS.
Meats Master Butchers looking for another break point. Cebrero, that serve is going to be outside. Wasted opportunity for the white shirts.
Same scenario for Martelli actually from their previous game against Savoy. So talagang dikitan at dikitan lang on their first set eh.
Segi with the serve, overpassed.
Ooh.
And that's easily put away by Titus Villacrucis, the 16-year-old out of Calapan, Mindoro.
Wow. Ang babata talaga itong VNS. But so far, no, kikita natin, talagang lumalaban pa rin sila.
Sabi nga, as per that report by Mika, that's what Coach Rath wants. That baptism of fire. Cruz pops it up. Well, very nice dig. Liray on the attack. There's Alfaro with the dig. Palisok, nowhere to go. Shut out by the 16-year-old Villacrucis.
What a block there by Villacrucis. Ang ganda ng abot na doon and timing.
Villacrucis is 6'2", 16 years old. Lalaki pa yan.
Wow, for sure.
There's the up by Guerra. Guerra gets it back. And Guerra is denied.
Medyo kinulang sa coverage doon ng VNS. But a good block read there by Martelli.
Take another look. Former baby Griffin, Howard Guerra. Well, it's still basically a baby, just 14 years old. There's Villacrucis blocked. Guerra gets it. Easy over. Chance ball. Cortez attacks. Down the line. Missed it.
And an error committed there by Cortez. And yung mga nagiging isa sa mga nagiging problem nila bukod sa reception nila on their past game, yung mga attacking error na yan, yung efficiency na inilabas ito ni Cortez.
We talked about it. 14 out of 37 for Cortez. So that's definitely less than 50% in their last game. That loss against Savoy. Elias! It's a block party and everyone's invited.
What a block there by VNS. At kaya naman, ang ganda ng timing, ang ganda ng pagkaka-establish ng block nila. Kaya naman napatimeout na dito ang Martelli.
Lahat na mula likod hanggang doon sa harap. Guys, relax na relax. Kailangan niya tayo yung tayo yung hinahabol eh. Ngayon tayo parang tayong konting intensity ha.
All right, Coach Michael Conde asking for a little bit more intensity. They were up earlier, and now they're the ones trailing down by 2.
That's right. No? Actually, nakausap ko din siya kanina during the pre-game. Ayun yung isa sa mga naging problema din nila. Sinasabayan lang nila yung laban nung kalaban nila. Ano yan, no? Early. Talagang kita natin, VNS with 3 block points already in this game. Itong Martelli naman with 1.
Palisok. Good up coming from Segi. Liray. Yes! Through the block of Palisok. And the run continues for the Griffins.
Liray also from Mapua Juniors. Tapang na tapang. Hindi talaga yung maganda sa mga bata ngayon. Pagka matapang, mas malilikse.
Villacrucis. Nice serve, but a great pass. Oh, and that one buried by Angelo Reyes.
Good decision there by the setter of Martelli. So far, pag ganyan, pag nakakakuha sila ng magandang reception, nakakakuha sila ng magandang quick.
So Angelo Reyes, after the kill, will serve. Mulabnan goes to Guerra. Yes!
Ang ganda naman ang sagot doon ng VNS. Sila basta-basta tuloy-tuloy na lamang. Talagang laban at laban pa rin.
In the meantime, we finally see one of the prized rookies of Coach Ocampo as RK Medino, who did not play in their last game. just 15 years old, checking in. Now you're looking at Justin Yatco, 17 years old, one of the 2 returning players for the Griffins, along with Charles Segi. That serve into the net for Yatco. And Yatco impressed a lot of fans last season when he debuted for the Griffins in the Open Conference. A talented setter.
That's true. No? Bright future
Yeah.
for this VNS squad, ang babata. And for sure, ang daming mag-aay
Yep.
na collegiate schools dito.
Meantime, Coach Conde makes an adjustment as well. Lawrence Calayag, number 5, is in, along with Joaquin Tubog, who's serving out of Perpetual in Laguna. So an Altas. Elias knocks it in. Christian Elias. So it's 16-13. Griffins up by 3. Second technical timeout.
Ang mabibigay namin ngayong conference is yung eagerness para manalo. Yung uhaw sa pagkapanalo bawat game. Yung communication namin, kailangan successful. And ma-execute namin yung mga training namin araw-araw.
Well, right now, Razel Palisok and the Meats Master Butchers down by 3 points after leading early here in the opening set. Kim Liray serving. Alfaro with the pass. Tubog sets it up. Oh, what a nice delivery to Renz Cruz for the knockaway.
As I said earlier, no, talaga yung ang gaganda din ng mga quick hits na binibigay nitong si Renz Cruz pag kinakailangan nila ng puntos.
Served by Cortez. Yatco. There's a first look at R.K. Medina. A 15-year-old out of Tawi-Tawi. Another former baby Griffin.
And wow, ang babata pero parang hindi na kailangan magpainit eh.
And here's one of those you mentioned, under 18 Alas players. Served by Elias. Nice attack, and that's a point for Andre Bundok.
But so far, no, VNS still up by 2 points. Kinakailangan pa dito ng Martelli, mas solidong reception, mas solidong blockings. Actually, ang dami lang nakuha ding blocks during the first game.
Renz Cruz with the serve, pass by Liray. Medina again. This one dug by Tubog. Miscommunication there on the pass. Easy block by Villa Crucis. Calayag, that could have been a double on Tubog. Yatco, that's a block by Reyes. Segi with a push. Pancake save from Tubog. From the back row, Cortez easy over. Chance ball here. Yatco sets it up. They go to Medina. Medina is blocked. He picks it up. First touch. Segi pushes. Pancake save once again by Bundok this time. Longest rally of the opening set. Yatco. Back row Liray. And popped up by Tubog. And that one blocked. Oh, terrific defense by Titus Villacruzes once again. Fourth block by the Griffins.
Good exchanges, good rally, good coverage. Ang kaganda ng mga palitan, but in the end, VNS had a good substitution there with their blocking.
Breathtaking men's volleyball action in this first game of your doubleheader. But the Griffins are really impressing a lot of fans. Guerra returns along with Mangmalabnan. So Yatco and Medina will sit back down. Tubog passes. And Calayag gets it over and out off the block.
Veteran move there by Martelli, hitting it off the block. Kasi kanina nakakadami ng block itong middles itong VNS, kaya pinadaan niya yun dito sa kabilang side. But foot fault challenge by VNS.
So we will check first The point not yet awarded after the hit by Calayag, Lawrence Calayag. So they're going to check it first for a foot fault. And Jocelyn De Rosario speaking with the officials there, so Coach Ralph Ocampo. I believe that right now the challenge is denied. Okay. And so the substitution now by Coach Conde of the Meats Master Butchers as Cebrero and Palisok return. So that point given. Now it's 18-16. Griffin still up by 2. But the point awarded to Calayag, who goes back to the bench. Cebrero with a serve. Back row Liray. There's a push by Segi. Up by Alfaro. Cebrero. An acrobatic, nice shot there coming from Angelo Reyes.
No-look drop ball there by Angelo Reyes. Actually, medyo na-late na sila doon sa blocking kasi tumatawag sana sila ng not over sa palo doon ng VNS.
So, break point won by the Meats Master Butchers. They're on a 2-point run. And it's a 1-point game. Chance to tie on the serve by Cebrero. Mangulabnan goes back to Segi. Segi off the block and scores. So, side out Griffins. They're back up by 2.
Good side out there by Segi, hitting it off the block. Medyo lumabas pa doon yung reception niya, but siya pa rin yung pinapalo dito ni Mangulabnan.
Palisok got it. There's a thought there was a net touch, but apparently not. So Palisok will score. Quick side out by the Meats Master Butchers.
Palisok there with a little bit of a stare down with that combination play.
Andre Bundok with the serve now. Segi passes. Nice little dump shot by Villacruzes.
Very smart player, Villacruzes. Ano, ang bata pero mautak na agad maglaro eh.
4 points already for the young Villacruzes. Substitution as Villacruzes will get a rest. And in is Kenneth Dainata, formerly from JRU, played for 3 seasons until last year. So from season 97 to 99. Dainata coming off a 6-point performance in that loss against the King Crunchers. Cebrero sets it. Cordes. Yeah, nice dig from Segi. Guerra pushes. Pancake save by Alfaro. Cordes backs up for the hit. Liray pops it up. Liray gets it back. Ooh. Reyes could have been double contact. Cordes through the block. Saved by Mangulabnan. Liray attacks from the middle. Saved there by Bundok. Cordes pushes Liray. Quick paced action. Segi from the back row. Here's a chance ball for the Griffins. Dainata passes. Liray against the single blocker. Knocks it in.
Wow. And another good rally there, won by VNS.
And Coach Conde, after this long rally, has seen enough. After that Kim Liray kill, we'll call a timeout. The Meats Master Butchers down by 3.
Tambak pa rin tayo tatlo, ha? Billboard, hanapin mo lagi si Jello, ha? Advantage natin gitna, kaya dapat din tayo nag- Pasa.
All right, so you heard Coach Conde. He's saying our advantage is in the middle. Advantage natin gitna. Now, let's see if they can design more plays for Reyes.
And they will execute it better if they have a good first
pass.
ball.
Yeah. So Kenneth Dainata continues to serve. Break point won by the Griffins. Are up by 3. 4 points away from winning their very first set. Oh, save. Oh, great effort coming from Bundok to keep that one alive. But Liray on the attack. Down the line. Liray with back-to-back points.
And still, Martel is having a hard time on their first ball. Kaya naman sinasamantala ito ng VNS with Liray hitting it once again in that open area. Alam ni mga Labnan na mainit itong si Liray. Kaya naman binibigyan niya to.
A minor adjustment here for Coach Conte as Kenrod Umali, former Red Lion from San Beda, is in the game, number 6, replacing Andre Bundok. 4-point lead for Dainata and the Griffins. Here's a little combination play. That is going to be outside for Palisok.
Too wide for Palisok.
And the veterans, starting to unravel. They're now down by 5 points. And this young team, the Griffins, are 2 points away from winning their very first set in the Invitational Conference.
Ooh.
Oh, an ace for Dainata.
Wow, what an ace there by Dainata. Yan yung mga gusto dito ng mga coaches natin. Pag pinasok ka to serve, makakapuntos pa. And why not?
This is 6 set points, Yos, for the Griffins. Sabrero. Oh, they go all the way to the other side. Yeah, lucky break there for Palisok. Got the easy ball off the block, Yos.
Hindi na pinatagal ni Palisok. Pagka nakakita siya ng pwede siya makapuntos, why not? Take it, but still, VNS set point away. It's a point away. Get this set.
A set point saved by the Meats Master Butchers, but Olaez, nice block by Cruz. Guerra. That's popped up by Sabrero, the setter. So this is a broken play that turns into a winning play for the Meats Master Butchers. 2 set points saved by the White Shirts.
And still, no timeout on the side of VNS. Kita natin yung tiwala ng coaching staff sa mga batang to.
They have a huge cushion, still 4 set points. 20 serving 24. Mangulabnan. Olaez, nope, that did not cross the net. This one an error, a set point given up. And still, Coach Ocampo saying, I'm not gonna call a timeout yet.
One more point na lang. Dito makita yung challenge naman for the younger team kung paano tapusin ang set.
3 set points saved by the Meats Master Butchers. Mangulabnan. This time goes to Guerra. Guerra off the block, and that is it.
Finally, VNS closing this first set with that off-the-block hit by VNS. Ganda na ng pagkaka-back set dito niya, Mangulabnan.
And it was a combination of so many things. Offense and spectacular defense at the net by the Griffins. And they win by 4 against the Meats Master Butchers in the opening set. (25-21), but the final score does not begin to tell the story of how the Griffins dominated down the stretch. In fact, they had 6 set points. They gave up a few. But the start was close, but both teams very competitive. Griffins, though, much better defensively.
Both teams very steady lang on the first few part of the first set. But yun nga, no, towards the almost dumating na ng mga around 15 point, medyo mas naging confident sa mga atake and mga receptions itong VNS. And actually, no, medyo dikit lang tayo sa attacks. VNS with 16 and Martelli with 15. But the blocking nagumana. Doon nagsimulang lumayo itong VNS. Nung nakakuha silang mas maraming blocks on the mid part of that first set. And also, no, yung service ace na yun towards that 23-point mark, talagang ang laking confidence din na nakukuha nitong batang kupunan natin dito na VNS. And sa errors naman, no, actually hindi ganung kasing laki compared to their first games na ang dami lang nakuhang errors din. But still, Martelli, kailangan nilang gawan pa ng paraan yung pagandahin pa ng lalo ang kanilang reception and also their blockings.
There is the Martelli meets Master Butchers on your screens. Losing the first set. Meanwhile, Charles Segui and the rest of the Griffins winning their very first set of the Invitational Conference. A confidence-boosting first set win. But obviously, as we all hear from coaches, no match is won in the first set. So they're going to have to battle from moving forward. Set number 2. First game of your doubleheader in the Invitational Conference. Mangulabnan serves us off. Bundok. Triple block. And it goes outside off the block. A point for Bundok to start things off here in set number 2.
One of the things na kailangan nila talagang adjustan nyo. Kasi medyo nahihirapan talaga sila sa reception. But yun nga, nakita natin on that first point, kahit medyo malayo na yung receive, nagawa na ng paraan Yun yung kailangan lang gawin pa lalo on the second set.
Not a good pass coming from Liray. Sembrero will get the ace.
And a little bit of miscommunication on the side of VNS kasi inaako na ng libero ng VNS yung mas malaking part ng reception kaya medyo nagkamali doon ang reception itong sa Liray.
So good 2-point run to start off set number 2 for the Meets Master Butchers. Mangulabnan, one-handed set. Quick push there coming from Villa Crucis. Such a talented young player.
That's right. Very talented young player itong si Villa Crucis.
5 points already for Villa Crucis.
And a good adjustment there by Mangulabnan, setting it one hand to the quick.
Charles Segui, who was a former teammate of De Vega and De La Noche of UST. Liray down the line, pounds that one in.
Oh, wow, what a hit there by Liray. Kita natin, no, kahit hindi ganun katangkad itong si Liray. Pero nakakatalo at marunong magbasa ng blockers.
What is he? He's probably 5'7", 5'6", Kim Liray. 2-point run for the Meets Master Butchers. Stopped right there by the attack of Andre Bundok.
In a good response there by Martelli. Pinabawi yung side na yun.
So a 1-point lead for the Meets Master Butchers. Nice shot by Guerra, but the rally continues. Wait a minute. The pancake save initially called good. So the play continued while the Griffins were celebrating. And now Coach Ocampo will challenge a floor touch.
Actually, yung line judge natin nakita niya tumama na sa floor. Hindi lang siguro nakita ng referee natin sa menyas yung line judge.
Okay, so no challenge needed as the officials overturned the call. Guerra will get the point and we're tied at 3, set number 2. Sembrero to Umali. Umali with nowhere to go.
And once again, first ball nitong Martelli, medyo nahihirapan sila So hindi sila maka-establish ng mga set plays at hindi sila magamit ng mga middle attackers nila. Which is yung mas malaking factor nila for this game.
That's hit by Angelo Reyes. Here comes Guerra off the block. Picked up by Segui. Mangulabnan sets it And they go to Olaez. Olaez catches the line. And the Griffins turn it around. Now they're up by 2.
Hindi pinalagpas yun ng PNS. Yung chance ang nakuha nila on that sequence. And nakasante mag-out yung palo doon dito ng middle attacker ng PNS. Pero bumagsak sa dulo ng court ng Martelli.
Villacruz is serving at 5-3 here in set 2. Cebrero. Palisok goes off speed. Maulabnan goes to Liray. Blocked. Guerra. Blocked again. And this time, Kenrod Umali returns the favor. He got triple blocked earlier.
Good read there with the blockers of Martelli. Medyo napaliyad na doon yung palo dito ng VNS. Kaya no option siya.
Served by Reyes. Here's Olaez once again. How high does Olaez leap? I mean, incredible athleticism by the 17-year-old.
Olaez with that wonderful quick attack. Ang ganda ng mga ball distribution din na binibigay nitong VNS, itong si Mangulabnan.
Beautiful serve by Guerra. There's an overpass. Chance ball. Griffins from the back row. Segi. Easy pickup by Alfaro. Cebrero to Umali. Blocked. Nice. Palisok. Segi keeping it alive. Cruz with the up. Liray pushes. Cebrero gets the first touch, so Alfaro will set it back to Palisok, and he sends it outside.
Outside there by Palisok, but what an effort there also by VNS on that defense.
And what a run here again, Yos, by the Griffins, now up by 3 points. Howard Guerra. Much better pass. And that hit outside, and it's off the block.
And still, no, yun, pag nakakuha ng magandang reception talaga ang Martelli, talagang binibigay sa quick, which is very effective for them so far in this game. But yun nga, no, kailangan na lang mas maging consistent on their first balls.
Palisok with a hit. Pass by Segi. Olaez again. Ooh. Christian Olaez. He has at least 3 of the 7 points of the Griffins, or make that the 8 points of the Griffins. First technical timeout, set number 2.
You're still watching the Spikers Turf 2024. It was to the delight of the Martelli coaches to find their boys in a match that ended with 5 sets against a more experienced Savoj team. In their minds, hindi namin inasahan yung power na pinakita nila. But of course, so many more things to fix, some of which are their first ball reception, efficiency, and service. More importantly, yung confusion sa pwesto. Sinong kukuha, kanino ipapasa. Now, in terms of their blockings, they started okay in that match but could not sustain. So middle blockers Angelo Reyes and Renz Cruz now take a bigger challenge from their coach to improve. But as I mentioned in their last match, sabi nga ni Razel Palisok, palaban ang mga batang ito. No egos. Just hopeful to play alongside the stronger contenders. And so far, not so bad. Eric and Yos.
All right, thank you very much, Mika. Right now, not so good for the Meats Master Butchers. They're down a set, and they're down by 4 here in set number 2. But that's a good answer. Cortez coming off the bench here in set number 2 with a nice block to get the side out for the white shirts.
That's right. Good blocking there by Cortez. Even though nag-inyan, still, nahihirapan sila sa mga first ball nila.
Mangulabnan. Oh, combination play. Segi, Palisok with the up. There's going to be a chance ball. Ooh! Lucky break for Andre Bundok as Olaez was not ready for that hit.
Yun yata yung kailangan dito na ni Bundok na ipahinga ng konti. Then, off the block, off set.
Good pass. Maulabnan. Oh, nice anticipation. Bundok with back-to-back points. And a mini run here for the Meats Master Butchers
Good
to
read.
climb within one.
Good read there by Bundok. Alam niyang front row si Mangulabnan, kaya inabangan niya talaga yun.
Another combination play hit by Segi and the side out for the Griffins. They finally put a stop to that run by the White Shirts.
Yun yung maganda dito kay Segi. Makita mo yung pagiging leader niya. Maaasahan at maaasahan pag kailangan silang pumatay. So, madaming tumutulong even sa mga middle blockers. Ang laking tulong din nun.
Olaez with 8 points. 4 in the first set, 4 in the second set, along with 3 blocks. Nice push. Maulabnan with the first touch, so Olaez will set it to Segi. Segi blocked, but it goes outside off Renz Cruz.
And another point there for Segi. Proving is the finals or the MVP of the NCAA Juniors.
Segi with 7 points already. Top scoring for the Griffins. Lead back to 3 for the Blue Shirts. Bundok is blocked. Bundok tries again. Oh! Off the chest of Guerra. Bundok giving the youngster a little lesson there.
Actually, medyo mukhang papalabas na yung palo doon ni Bundok. But nasa pwesto na yung depensa dito ng VNS, kaya hindi na rin nakailag.
So 5 points for Andre Bundok as you look at Howard Guerra. Not a good pass there coming from Villacruzes. Bundok again. This one a miss hit.
Outside. Naghanap sana sila doon ng check ball, but no challenge for Martelli.
12 serving 9. John Mangulabnan, the younger brother of Vince, who also goes to Ateneo. He's a Blue Eagle. Palisok! Off Mangulabnan. Side out for the Meats Master Butchers.
Good side out there by Martelli. Palisok hitting from the back row.
Again, the Meats Master Butchers playing catch-up here, down by 2. Served by the setter, Cebrero. Ooh, there's a touch at the net. A little too aggressive on the blocking attempt there for Angelo Reyes. Or could be Razel Palisok. Either way, it's a net violation for the White Shirts.
Looks like it was Palisok.
Yeah.
Medyo nang gigil eh. Abutin.
Cebrero goes all the way to the other side. Bundok with an off-speed hit. Mangulabnan. Back row. Segi!
What a play there by VNS.
But it was a net touch as well. Again, for the White Shirts. So back net violations for the Meats Master Butchers. Timeout for Coach Michael Conde. They are down by 4 here in set number 2.
Apat lang yan, kayang-kaya pa yan. Wala. Paano tayo makaka-play kung wala tayong first? Kaya mo sila maglaro, relax lang, parang walang mawawala. Pag walang pressure malawan, tayo pressure tayo. Go. Simplihan natin. Tulungan. Compose. Lorenzo, hey, Martelli! Setter,
Well, how big of a deal is pressure? That is what Coach Conde is talking about. He's saying yung kabila, walang pressure, yos tayo, and stuff like that. So, how does that affect their gameplay here in set number 2?
Actually, compare nyo talaga yung pagiging steady kasi talaga ng VNS. Ang ganda eh, lalong-lalo na first ball, yun yung pinaka-importanteng meron si VNS na so far na nakikita natin in this game. And dito naman for Martelli, kahit ganong kalakas yung mga attackers mo, kahit ganong kalalaki, ganong kalakas pumalo, hindi mo magagawa yan kung wala ka talagang first ball.
But it's not the first ball. That's the issue right now, Yos, for the white shirts. It's the net touch. This is the third consecutive net touch for the Meats Master Butchers.
And now, no, kung di nila magagawa ng paraan yung first ball nila, kita natin, naghahawa-hawa na. Even on their blocking department, naging frustrated na sila kasi hindi sila makapalo.
Yeah.
So gustong-gusto nilang bumawi sa blocking, but sa giggle, nag-error naman sila.
Palisok. Off-speed hit. Easy pickup for the blue shirts. Here comes Liray. This one did not cross the net, so that's a violation. 4 touches against the Griffins.
But why not? A challenge there by Coach Ralph Ocampo. Well, baka nga naman kasi sa bilis ng bola. Hindi natin makita minsan, tatama pa rin yan sa braso ng blockers.
All right, so officials will review this. Our first referee is Joven Racelis. Second referee is Jocelyn Del Rosario. 10 teams in the Invitational Conference. 8 coming from the Open Conference teams of the Spikers Turf, while 2 coming from the V-League Collegiate Conference. The top 2 teams in the V-League given an opportunity and a slot here in the Invitational Conference.
Coach Ralph Ocampo, no? Very dedicated.
Yeah.
Pagpo-produce ng volleyball players.
There's Coach Ralph. And here is the look.
Ooh.
It did not touch any of the blockers. So the call stands. It's a side out in favor of the Meats Master Butchers. They are within 4 after being down by as many as 5. Error situation, 4-1 in favor of the Meats Master Butchers. Ooh, but they give the point right back off a service fault by Andre Bundok.
Make it a 5-point error for Martelli.
And it is a 16-11 lead for the Griffins here in set number 2.
As siguro mas matagal na sa team and as a leader na din sa kanila, kailangan ko turuan sila yung maturity in game kasi hindi na naman to siguro yung college or high school level na lalaruan nila eh. Spikers Turf na to, so kailangan talaga malakas yung loob nila. And at the same time, team goal lang naman talaga namin is to win every game possible.
All right, so John Mangulabnan entering his second year as a Blue Eagle. 3 excellent sets so far for him. He had 3 excellent sets as well in that 3-set loss against the King Crunchers in their first game. Both teams, Griffins and the Meats Master Butchers, looking for their first win in the Invitational Conference. Both are coming off a loss in their debut. Chance ball for the Blue Shirts. Mangulabnan to Guerra. Overhits the mark and sends it outside.
A wasted opportunity there for VNS. Kasi nahirapan na naman sa reception dito ang Martelli, but yun nga, no? Too much power for the attacker of VNS.
Here's Jay Sikitin. He did not play in their 5-set game or 5-set loss against Sagoch. Liray gets the quick side out.
And another error in the net of Martelli. Nagigigil na sa blocking si Palisok, kaya sabit ng sabit.
Substitution, the usual 2-man substitution for Coach Ocampo, as RK Medina is back in the game along with Justin Yatko, who serves. Pick up by Sikitin. Cordes, here's a chance ball for the blue shirts. Yatko, who does he go to? Down to the middle. Another net touch for the Meats Master Butchers. That's my unofficial count. Is it 5? Just in set 2 alone, right?
Mukhang looks like parang 6 na nga yata eh. 6 or 7 na nga yata eh.
There it is, very clearly. Palisok touching the net.
But props to the serving nitong VNS. Ang gaganda ng mga binibigay na services. Kaya nahihirapan talaga rumisib itong Martelli.
Nice serve again. Speaking of the serve, Chadones unable to pick it up and pass it nicely. Liray with a nice pass. Yatko and Medina. Another net touch for the Meats Master Butchers. And Coach Cordes will burn his final timeout. They are down by 7 points. 19-12, set number 2.
Kasi nung ano nang galaw niya, so Renz. Basahin mo kasi parang nalilito ka kasi kaya parang ano parang hindi ka makagalaw ng maayos eh. Tingnan mo yung ano yung setter muna tsaka yung bola bago ka bumlock, ha? Go. First ball pang.
All right, so no more timeouts for the Meats Master Butchers. We're down by 7, Yos.
Actually, no, yung paninigas na pinapoint out dito ni Coach Billy, talagang maghahawa-hawa yan eh. Yung kung walang mag-step up sa reception dyan sa kanila, talagang magtutuloy-tuloy yung errors nila. Lalo na, ayun, kita natin, naghahawa. Even the blockings, nagkakamali na, nanggigigil sa blockings. Kasi nga, hindi sila maka-atake because of their first ball.
Easy pick up there. Liray. And that pass by Chadones is no good. So no runs for the Meats Master Butchers. A quick side out by Liray and company.
Liray, kahit hindi ganun talaga katangkaran eh.
Yeah.
Lumalaban at lumalaban sa atake.
6 points, make that 7 points already for Liray.
Ooh!
Wow, another net touch, this time of the offensive kind. As nothing going right for the Griffins in set number 2. They are now down by 8 points. Tubog will check in as Cortes will sit down. So the backup setter now in the lineup. Coach Conde.
Yan, as I said earlier, naghahawa-hawa. Even the attacking naman. Kakamali na rin sila.
Palisok. Picked up by Liray. Yatko to Medina. That's into the net for the young RK Medino.
Medino at medyo malayo yung pagkakaset doon. Kaya naman hindi niya na-adjustan eh. Kasi masyado siyang malapit sa net.
They go back to Medino.
Ooh! Grabe yun. Pinabawi agad eh. After that error. And why not? Mukhang bukay blocker doon yung Martelli.
Now Dainata checks in. Let's remember, Dainata helped the Griffins make a big run late in set number 1 to get the 4-point win. And now they're very comfortably ahead. Up by 8 points. 22 serving 14. Bad pass. Ooh, that's a lucky break there. To get it across the net. This time Medino, another error.
Medyo minsan nakikita natin eh, pagkabata din itong VNS, yung mga ganong klaseng errors. Medyo bitin yung set at pinilit niya i-down the line dito, which is yung option niya is to go for a cross court.
Renz Cruz out of DLSU Dasmariñas with the serve. Liray with a great pass. Medino again. Ooh, and another net touch by the Meats Master Butchers. Back down by 8. Now, Coach Ocampo will bring back his starting setter, Mangulabnan and Guerra.
And of course, gusto nang tapusin ng VNS dito ang set na to. And for Martelli, talagang di pa rin natin nakikita yung magandang first ball.
Oof, bad pass.
Oof.
Leads to a bad shot. No more timeouts for Coach Conde. And he can do nothing but watch as his team just continues to unravel. Down by, this is 9 set points.
Ooh. And still, no, yung body language dito ng Martelli, kahit nakapunto sila, ang tahimik.
Yeah.
So, someone should step up in this game.
Joaquin Tubog with a serve. Well, back-to-back points here for the Meats Master Butchers. 2 straight errors, 1 serve error, and 1 reception error for the Griffins.
Mukhang nag-hawa-hawa na. Even BNS. Medyo tahimik so far.
Another net touch. And that is no surprise, as that has been the weakness of the Meats Master Butchers here in set number 2, Yos.
Ang daming errors na binigay dito ng Martelli.
So it's an easy set 2 win, 25-17 for the Griffins. They're up 2-0 going to set number 3 against the Meats Master Butchers. Welcome back inside the Sports Inares Sports Arena. And you look at the Griffins leading by 2-0 against the Meats Master Butchers. Highlights of set number 2.
Kita natin, no, yung reception pa rin ang number 1 problem na nakikita natin sa Martelli. At on the other hand, itong VNS naman, no, very relaxed maglaro. Actually, na-point out na din talaga ni Coach Billy ng Martelli. Very relaxed sa mga reception. Ang ganda ng reception. Ang ganda ng mga responses sila pagdating sa atake. Even the blockings, ang gaganda. And for Martelli naman, no, eto, yung 9 errors na siguro 6 or 5 dito galing sa net touch. But ang laking epekto nun kasi maghahawa-hawa, as I've said earlier, maghahawa even the attackings, sa blocking, sa services, mga itong aces na nakakuha. So far, kahit wala kang service ace dito, ang VNS, nakakuha ng 2 naman itong Martelli. But the attacking sa binigay dito ng VNS, 15 attacks compared to only 7 nitong Martelli.
So Andre Bundok and company, a lot of work cut out for them here in set number 3. Arena Plus, astig sa sports. Meats Master Butchers won 2 sets against Savoy before losing in 5. But today, they are in danger of getting swept by a team that has won their first 2 sets today in the Invitational Conference. They lost via a sweep against last year's second runner-up, or beg your pardon, first runner-up, the Crisscross King Crunchers. So set number 3, do or die for that team in white. The Martelli meets Master Butchers, formerly known as the Mavericks Hard Hitters in the Open Conference a few months ago. Cebrero serves us off. Set number 3 underway. Labide seeing action for the first time today. Benjailo Labide gets the point. He was not in the lineup for the Griffins. 37-year-old Benjailo Labide, former Army trooper. All right, so here's a challenge. Ball in, ball out. Right now, the Meets Master Butchers, Yos, they need every point they can get. They want to get off to a good start here, which is why the early challenge.
That's right. Ang tawag ng referees natin was inside. But hindi natin nakita eh. Pero sila yung mas nakakita. And why not? Kasi nga, every point counts na talaga.
Right.
Dahil na, third set na. You have to start strong. But
Yeah, that's right. Because they have been playing catch-up for most of the past 2 sets. And there's Coach Michael Ian Conde having a deep conversation with the bench. Here's a look. And it is outside. So good challenge for Coach Conde and the Meets Master Butchers. But a challenge for Coach Ocampo and the Griffins. They're saying there's a block touch.
counter challenge there on the side of VNS. But early on, kanina, nakita ko yung blockers nitong Martelli. Wala daw block touch. But we'll see, baka pwede rin hindi na naman naramdaman.
And you see the combination of young and old in this lineup. Liray, Villacrucis, Guerra, with one of the veterans, the big names in the Spikers turf, Benjailo Labide. And Coach Ocampo, long-time head coach of the QC-based Volleyball Never Stops Griffins, or VNS for short.
Actually, VNS started years ago. Nag-start yan as a group lang na naglalaro talaga sa Bambang, as I remember. It's a very small court in Bambang, but now playing the Spikers turf with new players.
All right, so no block touch. Unsuccessful challenge for Coach Ocampo, and the first point of set number 3 took a while, but it got awarded to the Meets Master Butchers. Mangulabnan, one-handed set. They go to Segi. Alfaro will pass underhand, so it's a chance ball for the blue shirts. Labide, cross court. This was clearly in.
Nice spike there by the legend, Labide. Ang gandang combination din ngayon ito ng VNS. Combination ng mga bata with experience na ma-share ni Labide.
Here's Labide with the up off the hit by Bundok. Liray through the double block.
No problem there for Liray kahit may dalawang blockers. Nakalusot at nakakalusot. And actually, that was Angelo Reyes.
And Andre Bundok. 2-point run for the Griffins. Served down the line, picked up by Palisok. And Reyes answers right back with a side out.
And good response there by Reyes. Ito yung kailangan dito ng Martelli. Talagang matibay na first ball. And magandang atake ang kalalabasan doon.
Andre Bundok serves into the net. Bundok coming off a 9-point performance. You know, major contributor in that 5-set loss to Savoy's Aesthetics. Villacruz is down the line. Great pass by Bundok. That one, no contact with Reyes, but a save by Cordes. And then easy over by Cordes caught the Griffins by surprise.
And a lucky break there for Martelli. On the side of BNS kasi, no, usually libero yung kuha dapat noon. Kaya lang, on that sequence, wala yung libero eh. Nag-service yung middle blocker. Kaya naman naghintay na may lalabas na libero. Kaya lang wala.
Reyes with the serve. We're tied at 3. Labide, Cebrero pops it up. Palisok, blocked by Olaez. Cordes, yes!
So far, so good for Martelli. Master Butchers. Yung good response. Kailangan niya ng steady reception, no pressure.
White shirts up by 1. 4 serving 3. Olaez with a pass. Liray, off-speed hit. Easy point.
Good play there by Liray. Basang-basa niya yung depensa dito eh ng itong Martelli. Bukang-buka. Easy drop ball for him.
Labide, standing serve. Cordes, cross court. Yes!
Medyo nagkagawan doon ng depensa dito ng BNS. Kasi nabasa na sana nila eh, yung atake na yun. Kaya ang dalawa sila nakaabang doon.
So it's a side-out game between the Griffins and the Meats Master Butchers. Nice pass coming from Segi. Liray hits it off the block and scores. He almost went for the coverage after getting blocked, but he was heading outside. Take a look.
Muntik pang tumama.
5 off. Set 3. Palisok. Yeah, that ball was already very low.
Too low for Palisok. Just trying to get a check ball. Kaya lang hindi tumama sa blockers itong VNS.
Cordes, blocked by Olaez. Cebrero goes back to Jerome Cordes. This time, catches the line on the cross-court hit.
Finally, Cordes on his second try. Yung kailangan eh, ng Martelli. Dapat relax lang, no frustrations. On your first attempt, kung di ka nakapuntos agad, try again.
What a set by Maulabnan. There's Bundok, and he will score. That's not coming back.
Good spike there by Martelli. Ito yung mas kailangan nila. Kung gusto pa nilang manalo on this set, but yun yung isa sa mga naging malaking problema nila nung second set, yung mga errors. Didikit-dikit nagsusunod-sunod pag nasimulan nila.
So 7-all. It's been a seesaw battle so far at the start of set number 3. Bundok, picked up by Olaez. Labide says, ako na. Segi punches it through. Cebrero with coverage. Here comes Cebrero, the center. Attacking in. Cebrero scoring. Sending us to our first technical timeout here. Meets Master Butchers. Nice point to send us to this quick break.
you're still watching the 2024 Spiker Surf Invitational Conference, one of the things former Mapua Red Robin star player and CJ Segi would like to improve on ay yung diskarte. He said may tendency daw kasi siya na puro spike without thinking sometimes. In that match against Chris Cross, pinanood daw talaga niya si Jude Garcia as one of his idols. He likes how Jude is able to balance his moves. Today, he feels more confident having been baptized by the King Crunchers with 9 points and 9 attacks so far. Eric and Yos.
Thank you, Mika. And right on cue. Segi with a point on off a cross-court hit. Ties the game at 8 here in set number 3. The Griffins up 2-0. Served by Mangulabnan. Cebrero on a 1-2 play. Segi with a block. Bundok, tough shot. Easy pickup by Cruz. Segi with the drop shot and the point. Back-to-back points for CJ Segi.
CJ Segi with a wonderful drop ball. Hindi kailangan kasi laging palo ng palo. Kailangan marunong ka rin talagang bumasa ng depensa.
Another good serve by Mangulabnan. Short pass and an easy block, but it goes outside. So side out for Andre Bundok and the Meats Master Butchers.
Yeah, good off-the-block hit there by Martelli. So far, no, very steady lang both teams. But for VNS naman, no, medyo nagre-relax sila on this set.
And the seesaw battle continues. We're tied at 9. Labide. Blockers were late. Labide punished the white shirts.
Kitang-kita doon yung butas ng blockers dito ng Martelli. Medyo na-late na yung middle blocker nitong Martelli, si Angelo Reyes.
Alfaro with the pass. Ooh, beautiful shoot set. Cebrero connecting to Angelo Reyes.
So far, so good for Martelli. 1 point at a time. No frustrations, no pressure. Good reception, good attacks.
10 all. Bad serve coming from Andre Bundok. Meats Master Butchers shooting themselves in the foot.
Nabati na naman. Yung magandang pinapakita dito ng Martelli.
Alfaro with a pass. And a nice shot by Reyes, but the rally continues. Wait a minute. The point given to Meats Master Butchers by first referee Joven Racelis. He's saying 4 touches against the Griffins. There's Joven Racelis. If not for the 4 errors, Yos, by the Meats Master Butchers, they'd probably be on top at least by 3 points. Olaez got it. Side out for the Griffins. Labide will get a rest, and so will Mangulabnan as Yatko and Medino back in the game for the Griffins. Justin Yatko is 17 years old. Again, Medino is only 15. Cebrero. Oh, nice delivery to Cruz. Renz Cruz with a kill.
And once again, no, talagang pag maganda yung reception itong Martelli, nakakuha sila ng magandang quick plays. Yun naman yung mga, yun hindi mabantayan dito so far nitong VNS, yung mga quick attacks. Itong Martelli, talaga nakakalusot so far.
Cruz with 5 points as Tubog and Kalayag return for the white shirts. Down the line serve, easy pickup for Segi. Medino blocked, and it goes outside. So RK Medino will score and tie the game. Beg your pardon, give the Griffins the 1-point lead. Liray with a serve. Olaez pops it up. Medino again, the push, and again it goes outside. So back-to-back points for Medino.
Actually, no, ito yung substitution kanina, no, third set, na talagang lalong tumaas yung confidence dito ng VNS when it comes to attacking.
Tough pass. Kalayag able to get it across the net, but it's a chance ball here. Yatko to Medino. Medino blocked. It goes outside again. 3-point personal run by R.K. Medino, who doesn't turn 16 until November of this year.
Ang bata, haba. Ang haba ng mga arms at ng legs itong si Medino.
Yatko with the up, so Cruz will set it. Segi attacks, bounces it off the block. The last 4 points of the Griffins all off the block. And that takes us to our second technical timeout. 4-point lead for the Griffins. Set number 3.
Ako yung na-assign bilang captain ng team. Siguro yung leadership and yung i-share ko sa yung experience ko para at least kahit paano may idea na sila about sa tournament. May experience na namin yung game here sa Spike Tour kasi maraming first timer sa amin and mas bata para sa ibang team na
He's already the team captain, but he's just 20 years old. Charles Segi with 11 attack points already. This is first game in double digits for the Griffins. He scored 8 in that 3-set loss against the King Crunchers. There's a nice block by Olaez. Kalayak tries again. Liray pops it up. Yatko back to Medino. And this time Medino is rejected.
Medyo tumaas yung pagkakaset doon ng setter itong VNS and medyo nawala ng option si Medino to the cross court and good block there by Martelli.
Segi. Oh, great save by Renz Cruz. Yatko back to Medino. Medino the push. Tubog chasing it down. Cortez with the easy over. Chance ball for the Griffins. Here's Segi.
Oh.
Yes.
What a set there by Yatko. Kahit medyo mababa at medyo mabilis pagkakaset doon, no? Nagawa ng paraan yun dito ni Segi. Good adjustment there. Good exchanges of points there.
In the meantime, Christian Olaez will sit down, and back in is Kenneth Dainata. 4-point lead for the Griffins. Total block points 5 and 5. Tubog jump set. Yes, Renz Cruz gets it through.
Still, no? Itong hindi makaangat pa ng mas malapit itong Martelli sa score. They're still down by 3 points. Renz Cruz with 6 points. 5 attacks.
Great pass by Liray. Villacruzes. The up by Cortez. Tubog sets it to Bundok. Hits it way outside.
Too much power there for Bundok. No spin on that attack.
Substitution for Coach Rafa Campo as Labide and Mulabnan check in. Yatko and Medino, they've done their job. BNS Griffins protecting a 4-point lead. Tubog. And that'll do it for Angelo Reyes.
Steady play for Martelli with that quick play. So far talaga yun yung mas madaming puntos na nakukuha dito ng Martelli. Pagka hindi gumagana yung mga outside and opposite hitters nila. But magagawa lang nila yung mga middle attacks if they have a good first ball.
Cebrero and Palisok check back in for the Meats Master Butchers. There's a push by Villacruzes.
Easy point there for Villacruzes. the drop ball on that middle part of the court of Martelli.
And you can see, yes, I mean, Villa Cruz after the shot was smiling. I mean, very comfortable, very loose, very relaxed in this game. The youngsters from the Griffins side out here for the Meats Master Butchers as Sundian, the service specialist, will check in for Bundok. Stephen Sundian out of San Sebastian. A good pass by Cruz. Villa Cruz's back-to-back points.
Very confident. No pressure for DNS. Actually, lahat sila eh. Kung makapapansin natin, no? Yung may smile,
Yeah.
the body language, the communication is there. Lahat nag-uusap. The facial expression as well.
That's right. Titus Villa Cruz is 6 points, made up of 4 attacks and 2 blocks. Palisok. Picked up by Segi. Mangulabnan all the way out to Labide. Tough shot for Labide. That pass was going long.
That was too close to the antenna. Medyo nahirapan na doon mag-adjust si Labide.
3-point game. 17 serving 20. Labide. And miss hits. And sends it outside.
Too wide for Labide. No touch on the blockers of Martelli. Ito yung kailangan samantalahin ng Martelli.
Yeah.
They still wanna stay in this game.
Liray off a combination play. And there's a floor touch already. Liray will get the side out.
But Liray, there, ayaw nang patagalin.
Yeah.
Gusto na yatang umuwi.
Jailo Labide with the serve. There's a nice middle hit. And that's what Coach Conde was talking about the Meats Master Butchers. Yos, that's their advantage yung gitna. No?
That's right. Early on, no, kanina talaga, mas ang daming puntos na nakuha ng mga middle blockers, ng middle attackers itong Martelli. Hindi lang nila magawa yun dahil nawawalan sila ng first ball.
Palisok with a serve down the line. Easy pass for Liray. Olaez is turned away. Christian Olaez gets a taste of his own medicine.
And a good block there by Martelli. Now, they're only down by 1 point.
Chance to tie on the Razel Palisok serve for the Meats Master Butchers. Good pass by Segi. Here comes Liray. Back-to-back monster blocks for the Meats Master Butchers, and they tie the game at 21. And Coach Ocampo under fire. Griffins will talk it over.
Kung si Kuya Jai, backliner ka, diba? O, huwag ka sumiksit. Back-quick ka para malayo. Ha? Isa lang, magandang receive lang. Tapos ano tayo?
Side out na, side out na, side out na. Patapos na tayo.
Bawal mo lang pag nakita mong lulusot, gumulong ka. Sige. Uy, tapos tayo!
All right, let's see the adjustments and the execution by the Griffins, who led by as many as 4, if memory serves. And midway through set number 3, they're up 2 sets to nothing, as you can see on the graphic at the bottom of your screens. Palisok continues to serve. Segi with a pass. Here comes Liray. And it's another block. 3 straight blocks by the Meats Master Butchers, and they're now on top by 1.
Liray having a problem on his attacks. Dito mo makikita eh. Lalabas at lalabas ito yung maturity ng players. Magandang practice sa kanya to actually for his upcoming games. But good block there by Martelli.
Battle at the net, won by Cordes against Mangulabnan. Labide, here's a chance ball for the Meats Master Butchers. Cordes. Olaez pops it up. Another chance ball for the Meats Master Butchers. Cordes again. This time, Cordes. Cut shot. 2-point lead for the White Shirts.
What a time there for Martelli. get those points. Medyo nagkaroon ng konting problema sa mga depensa at blocking sa ditong VNS. At ginawa naman ang paraan dito ng Martelli para makapuntos at makakuha ng dalawang abante in the set.
Palisok. Liray against two blockers. And there's already a floor touch. Liray gets the side out and makes it a 1-point game. Griffins down by 1.
Finally, Liray that hit. Pinadaan na sa gitna ng blockers itong Martelli.
Liray serving down the line. Cortez. Segi unable to save it. So side out for the Meats Master Butchers, and they're up by 2 set points, 24-22.
Almost a good save there by Segi. Kaya medyo na-late siya ng isang step. But lucky break there for Martelli. Now they're set points.
And now Griffins under pressure. Segi. Block. Picked up by Labide. Segi again. Cortez. Easy over by Alfaro. Chance ball for the blue shirts. Elias saves a set point.
Good attack there by Olaes. Kita natin kasi, no, puro kay Segi napupunta yung mga sets dito ni Mangolabnan. Good decision there actually by Mangolabnan. Olaes hitting it off the block.
Now Elias and company, they've got to play defense. All right, nice block up top. Cebrero with the first touch. Here comes Bundok. Now a chance to attack for Mangolabnan. Segi for the tie. Not just yet. Segi tries again. The tip. Coverage by Palisok, but there's a net touch going to be called against the Meats Master Butchers. And they lose their 2 set point advantage. We're tied at 24.
Lucky break there for VNS. Actually, nakaabang na doon yung depensa itong Martelli. Kaya sumabit na naman sa net ang blockers itong Martelli Meats.
From down 2 set points, a chance to go to match point. Olaes with the serve, but he sends it outside.
Wow. What a play for VNS. Yun yung actually mga medyo mas batang errors talaga eh. So, sa mga crucial, lalabas talaga minsan yun.
So a lucky break here for Renz Cruz and the Meats Master Butchers. They're back up at set point. This is their 3rd set point. But for the Griffins, all they need is a good pass here. There it is. Segi, the team captain. Now a chance to attack and win it. Here in set 3, Bundok. Popped up by Cruz. Mangolabnan, they go back to Charles Segi. Segi block coverage by Cruz. Segi again against the triple block. Cruz saves it again. Segi, 3rd time around. Oh, he got it. 3rd try is a charm for Charles Segi. Another set point saved. We're tied at 25.
And yun naman yung advantage ng pagiging bata.
Makakatanong na kahit tatlong beses.
Parang nagdi-drill sa training eh. Makukuha mo yun sa training eh. Nakakapagod yun actually. But props to Segi for trying it really hard for Team VNS.
All right, so 25 all. Nice serve by Mangolabnan. Cebrero. Andre Bundok. One-handed dig for Cruz. Here's Labide. Picked up by Alfaro. Bundok again. Segi to Labide. Alfaro pops it up. Palisok, here's a chance ball for the Griffins. A chance to go to match point. Not just yet. Overpass. Labide picks it up. Segi. Alfaro working extra hard on defense. Bundok. Mangolabnan. Here's Labide. Oh, what a rally. Alfaro sets it up. Bundok knocks it in. Andre Bundok gives the Meats Master Butchers their 4th set point.
Good adjustment there by Bundok. So far, kasi nadidepensahan at didepensahan yung mga cross-court hits niya. Naabot ang blockers, but targeting that end line.
All right, so 3 set points lost by Cebrero and the White Shirts. Can they finally pocket set number 4 in this rally? Labide says no. And Jairo Labide saves the set point and ties the game at 26.
What a response there by the veteran Labide, hitting it down the line.
All right, so Charles Segi, the team captain with the serve. Liray, mangulapnan to Labide. Off speed, and there's a net touch by the Meats Master Butchers, and now they're in trouble because the Griffins are at match point for the first time today.
I was actually about to say no, na pagka ganitong crucial matches, dapat hindi ka masyadong nagda-drop ball eh. Kita natin si Reyes nag-drop ball, but on the other side, Labide drop ball. Kaya lang, sumabit na naman sa net itong Martelli.
Kaya dapat yung take off mo, explosion para lagi na pinapasilip para maging effective yung natin.
All right, so the serve here coming up for the Griffins after that net touch from one of the Meats Master Butchers. Who attacks here for the White Shirts, Yos?
Actually, ang daming options dito nitong ni Cebrero. Meron kang Angelo Reyes if you have a better reception, and also Palisok at the open side.
Cebrero, who goes to Bundok. Overpassed by Mangulabdan, and Palisok puts it away, saving a match point. Cruz is okay. Let's take a look at what happened. Oh, Cruz hit the knee, or is it a Labide? But he's okay. So a match point saved by the Meats Master Butchers. We're tied at 27. Andre Bundok with the serve. And there is Villacruzes, putting the Griffins back at match point. Their second.
Good decision there by Mangulabdan. Yan aabangan yung mga wing spikers ng VNS, but binigay niya dun sa middle attacker niya.
Villacruzes with the serve. Short pass. Cortez. Saved by Segi. Mangulabnan goes to Liray. Liray for the win. Wipes it off the block. And gets the W for the VNS Griffins. All right. We'll backtrack for a little bit. There's a challenge here by Coach Conde.
It's not over until it's over. For Martelli, why not call it a challenge?
Although the call was already made by Joven Raceles, that is why there's a challenge. But it seemed, from our angle, like was there.
Actually, sa bilis, parang hindi ko nakita kung tumama talaga eh.
But there were at least 2 blockers against Liray. So he went for the swipe. Big question is, did he get it?
Actually, sa approach pa lang eh. Niliray, makikita mo, ipapacheck niya na talaga.
Yeah.
So, might as well sa blockers, iiwas niya sana yung mga kamay niya. But, ooh!
That's it. Okay, there is a block touch officially. And Coach Michael Ian Conde with an unsuccessful challenge as the Martelli Meats Master Butchers absorb their second straight loss. Meanwhile, CJ Segi and the Griffins get their first W of the Invitational Conference. There it is officially, a 3-set win, an extended set number 3, but a win nevertheless for the VNS Griffins against the Martelli Meats Master Butchers.
You're still watching the Spikers Turf 2024 and right now I am joined by the best player of this match. Walang iba kung hindi si CJ. Sige, congratulations. CJ, napag-usapan natin kanina no, na napakalaking bagay sa confidence mo yung naging laro nyo against Chris Cross. Marami kang natutunan doon. Kamusta naman itong pangalawang experience mo? Itong pangalawang laro dito, lalo na yung napakasayang last set na yun.
First of all, nagtiwala lang kami sa teammates ko, nagtiwala ako siyempre sa coaches. Sa system namin, talagang kumapit kami sa system namin. Hindi kami bumitaw. Tapos pinanatili lang namin yung composure namin sa loob ng court kahit medyo may ups and downs no last set. Yun lang, tuloy-tuloy lang kami, hindi kami huminto.
Napag-usapan mo yung sistema nyo, no? Para sa'yo, dun sa nakaraang dalawang laro nyo, ano pa yung mga errors na gusto mo pang ma-improve as a team?
Siguro minimalist error na lang, gaya ng sa serve, sa blocking namin, tas yung sa defense namin.
Right, maraming salamat. Once again, the best player of this match, walang iba kung hindi si CJ Segui. Balik sa inyo, Eric Elias.
Thank you
All
po.
right, maraming salamat, Mika Abesamis, and congratulations, CJ Segui. What a performance today. What are 3 players in double digits for the VNS Griffins as they win by a sweep after losing in straight sets against the King Crunchers. What a turnaround in their second game only of the Invitational Conference.
I want to point out, no, yun nga, no, sa kanya na rin galing, yung composure na binigay nila on this game talagang, and also the confidence ng lahat. Actually, lahat sila sa VNS side. Ang ganda ng pinakitang confidence on the quick sets and unang-una yung reception na nahirapan naman itong Martelli. Talagang nahirapan siya kumuha ng reception kaya hindi sila makatake ng madami on that game. Even though dumikit sila, no, on this third set, VNS with 23 attacks compared to 18 nitong Martelli. And yun nga, no, itong 4 blocks na nakuha nitong Martelli, kaya naman nakauna sana sila maka-set point on this game. But eventually, mas nanaig yung confidence nitong VNS on that game.
Nothing to take away from the Meats Master Butchers. They put up an excellent fight, especially the third set. They took it to an extended third, but in the end, they still went down in straight sets and sustained their second straight loss. Coming up, both teams looking for their second straight win. Both teams also defeated the same opponent, Chichi DHTSI, in their very first games of the Invitational Conference. Big win for the VNS Griffins. 3 players in double digits led by CJ Segui and get their first straight sets win here at the Invitational Conference. Thanks to our director, Nick Earnshaw, for Mika Abesamis, Yos Yoson, and Eric Lipan. Thanks for being with us. But there's still one more match coming up. The Navigators Iloilo taking on FEU DM Steel Ultras right here on Pilipinas Live.